Okay, here we are in After Effects. I have a 4 composition with different resolution, 4K, HD, square, and the vertical to show you how to use the transition. I noticed that the transitions are 4K by default, and no need to change the resolution when you use a 4K composition. Here in transition, you go in one of these categories. For example, you go slide number 9. Make sure to match the cut. That's it for 4K. Also, you can go in the composition, go in, select the setting layer, go in effect controls, and you can change the colors and the size of your transition. I explain that later. Now let's go in HD. For HD, let's choose another one. Line transition, for example. This one I choose. Let's make sure the cut is correct. It's a bit big. Simply you can scale down the composition to fit the transition. Let's see. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's go square. Let's choose one transition. For example, 60. Make sure to match the cut. For this one, go in the composition, select the setting layer, and also you can change the color and insert the resolution of your composition. The composition is 1080 by 1080, 1080, 1080. Let's see, everything changed. Okay, move on. The vertical, choose for example this one. Make sure to match the cut and go inside, select the setting layer, go in effect and control. The composition is 1080 by 1920. Let's insert the numbers and boom, that's it. Hope you enjoy our transitions and thanks for watching.